cops. Hopefully they don't mind me just looking around the new construction site. Just minding my own business, not trying to get in.
So we're just gonna
Do not come here.
We're deciding whether or not we want to go to.
Look at you. Got a cone on your head. Dog, you're the cutest thing. Look at you, you big fat dog. Arr. All right, we're about to bike up to this new construction site. It's like a new shopping mall they're putting in by my house. And they have all the windows in. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get in, but no, I'm not gonna say that. We're definitely getting in. I'm gonna find a way in. I used to go in this all the time when it was still being newly built, like just you could see all the wood and stuff, but it's pretty much complete now, and I think we could probably still find a way in, but I don't know, let's see. Well, we're here. I don't see much any immediate ways in, so we're gonna need to do a little more hunting. It's a little dead here, which is good. That's good. Always good. And I made the same mistake as yesterday. All right. I thought that was a little bit more solid than it was. I don't know. They have this place pretty locked up. I do not know if we're gonna find a way in. Okay. Is it locked? Yep. Alright, we're finding a way in. This is too cool to not find a way in. Looks like they have the back locked up too. Yeah. Hold up. Hell yes. Why isn't it going any further? Alright, so that entrance is stuck or something. I cannot get in that door. Like, I cannot open that up. And I don't want to force it too hard. No one's taking my bike. That's good. One of these workers had to have been stupid enough to leave these unlocked, right? Not that one. Or that one. Guys, I'm sorry, I couldn't find a way in, but thanks for subscribing. I found a way in. They literally left the door open. We'll take those stairs because they're closer. Huh. That's sick. Oh, we found it. Permit. I have a permit, sure. Why not? Oh, they didn't even lock it. Yo, did they seriously? They didn't even lock it. Take that off. Alright guys, so I did figure out how to open it. Holy bejesus. Alright. roof. I'm gonna stay low because I don't know if people can or not. Well, yeah. I just busted that hatch open and then now I'm on the roof. Nice weather out. Alright, well, guess we should go back inside. See you later, roof. These are actually pretty. I like this. Do they have plumbing yet? You think they do? I think they do, but I'm not gonna find out because I don't want to waste their water. I'm not here to mess anything up. I just want to see what they're doing. The one thing I need to make sure is that I can find my way out. I don't remember which door I came out of. Sweet, they have a shoe cleaner. Bro, I need this so bad. Yes. Clean up all that mud off. These are my track shoes. They can't be getting these dirty. It's around here somewhere, I know that. It's one of these rooms. This one. Oh, this was the one I was trying to get in earlier. They have these little latches on the window. I'll just go out this way, I don't care. Hey, we out. Oh, birthed again. Always wanted to drive one of these as a kid, you know. I'm sure you can relate. Oh yeah, we're getting there. They left this one unlocked. Oh yeah. Smell of depression and cigarettes. Nothing beats it. It's warm in here too. I might just sit in here for a minute. Oh yeah, rapid speed. Oh yeah, freaking. Oh yeah. Alright, that's enough playing around. Let's keep little Ashley. There's really not that much else to look at, honestly. I don't know. I'll call it quits. Alright, if you guys liked the video, if you liked what you see, please like the video. Like it regardless. I don't really care if it's bad. Just please like it. Don't be the douchebag that's like the one dislike like we always have on every video. And please subscribe, it helps us out. We're at like 140. We'll be doing some giveaways, don't worry. Maybe like $25 for 250 subs, I don't know. We're still figuring it out, we're broke though. Comment some new video ideas, and me doing this alone, that was only a one-time thing. I was not feeling energized today, and then at this point I was like, no, we need to get out there and do something, make a video. And this is like right down the street, so stopped in here and got to see a lot more than I thought I'd get to see. I didn't even think I'd be able to get in, but yeah, I did. Comment some new video ideas. That guy's looking at me like I'm a retard. Subscribe anyway. I don't care if you don't like us, just subscribe, please. Yeah. He's in there. He's right there. Look, do you see the groundhog? He was right there.